Get ready for the dictation in 3, 2, 1, start. There are many in this country who are talking about reviewing our foreign policy option and telling us that non alignment perhaps will not hold us in good stead anymore, that we are being isolated and we are being concerned in a so called single polar world. Sir, I must say that the recent election bid which we made for a non permanent seat of the Security Council showed that we have lost our standing somewhere. Not that everybody expected us to walk in the first round, but we are told, and I believe it, and I have been reading about it, that the Mandarins in the South Bloc had assured that there was no question of a victory in the first round for the Japanese, that we would automatically go into the second round, and that would be the stage at which we should negotiate. Sir, we know what happened. It was not a defeat, it was a humiliating defeat. I would like to say that, and replies have come very often, that we started it. We divided to bid in 1994, you pressurized us, and so on and so forth. Sir, I would like to say that a government at a particular time may have a particular perception. We did believe at that time, given the circumstances, that we stood a good chance. But I would like to ask what your assessment was, what your feedback was. We had been told that 138 countries were visited by high powered, specially selected delegations of this government, and when I, in another forum, questioned who led these delegations, who were the people who went, what their feedback was, the people, not the foreign affairs minister in the foreign affairs ministry, had to admit that they were all led by bureaucrats, former bureaucrats, retired bureaucrats, extension bureaucrats, call them what you want. You don't have the foresight to realize that if you are talking about winning over opinion in any country, you need political leadership, not bureaucratic meddling. In this country so devoid of political leadership, you have a consensus on foreign policy. You have all parties supporting you on these issues. Why do you believe that only bureaucrats can deliver the goods? And sir, this is my first complaint. In South Block, once you, I am not only talking of this government, but I am also talking about the national interests and the long term policy perspectives, have lost the political leadership as far as the foreign affairs ministry is concerned. Stop. Thank you.